Hi guys, what's up? Michael Edward here, head trader at True Trading Group. It is June 3rd. I've got an important lesson that we're going to discuss that speaks directly to part-time traders. Something that I dealt with today. It's more of a mental lesson for part-time traders than it is technical, because today was a really funny, wacky day for me. Early in the morning, my TC2000 system went down. So TC2000 is the software you guys see right now on my screen. This is what I use for charting. Okay, this is my charting platform is TC2000. I trade through Lightspeed. You could trade with TC2000 if you want. They do offer brokerage services, but I don't trade with TC2000. I just use them for charts. I think their charts are hands down the best in the business. Okay, their charts are 1,000 times better than Lightspeed's. So my charts went down early in the morning, like a couple minutes after the opening bell. And they were down for like 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes or so. And that really kind of got me rattled. Obviously I can't trade if I can't see charts. So I had to sit back and miss some trade opportunities that I was looking at pre-market. And it really, really frustrated me. Early in the morning, GNUS was on my watch list. I thought GNUS had a lot of potential, and I missed out on this morning move. By the time that I got my charts back, okay, GNUS was right here. And as soon as I got my charts back, I wasn't just going to rush back into trading. I wanted to really take some time and analyze a couple of setups that I was looking at. And I wasn't, I didn't trade GNUS. I missed it. It was a great setup. It was a picture perfect trade line VWAP crossover, and the stock just absolutely exploded up to $8. It could have been a monster trade for me, and this is exactly what I was looking for early in the morning. But my charts were down, and my charts came back on. And I was not in a rush to just get back into trading. I kind of wanted to ease myself back into it. So I missed GNUS. I also was looking about getting short DraftKings in the morning, and that happened. And I missed DraftKings. I missed this whole downward move right off that opening bell. And then I actually came in and I got short DraftKings late. The stock ended up bouncing back. I ended up getting stopped out of my position. And I just kind of said to myself that I'm off. Like everything about my day was just off. It started with my charts not working, but then I started to get pulled in different directions with some stuff that I was dealing with in my personal life. I had some things that came up that I needed to take care of during the day. And this is once my charts got come back on, and I was just like, it was just one of those days, guys. I don't know if I can really put it into words correctly, but I just felt out of control. I felt like I was distracted. I did not feel focused. I wasn't able to really put my attention to the trades at hand. And I ended up missing a really big day today. You guys are probably expecting me to come on this video, for those of you that follow the channel, and expect me to have some monster trade in SAVA or GNUS. These were huge moves that both of these stocks made today. And I didn't trade either one of them because of my charts being down in the morning, and then, getting kind of pulled away from my computer in the morning session. It just caused me to be off today. And this brings me to the lesson I want to discuss with you when it comes to part-time traders, because I just had a one-on-one with a member about a week ago. And one of the things that he was struggling with was work not allowing him to trade as often as he wants. And he would start to maybe like to half-ass analysis and to jump into trades a little bit too early, without conducting a full proper analysis. And this kind of brings me to this video and this lesson, because guys, if you are a part-time trader, and this does not even go for part-time traders, honestly, this is for full-time traders too. You guys have to understand that when you are trading, you have to be focused. You have to be laser focused. I tell our TGG members all the time that, guys, especially if you're a part-time trader and you guys are juggling work while you're also trying to trade, there's nothing wrong with you saying, I'm too busy with work today. I cannot trade. You are far better off only trading once or twice a week or 1 or 2 hours a day. You're far better off doing that if you can give it the time, focus, and attention that's needed than you will be trading every day, but at 50% focus. I'd rather trade 2 days a week at 100% focus than 5 days a week at 50% focus. Or I'd rather trade 1 or 2 hours a day at 100% focus than 6 hours a day at 50% focus. Yeah, this is a very, very important point for those of you that are juggling other responsibilities during the day. If you're a part-time trader, if you work during the day, maybe you're babysitting kids, or maybe you're taking kids to a soccer game or something. It's like you can't try to be trading if you're not focused. And that's really what this video lesson is all about, is to let all of the part-time traders that follow my channel and are watching this video, to let you all know I'm speaking to you directly. It's okay for you to not trade if your personal life or your work life is pulling your attention away. Because once I felt that way today, now with me, I am a full-time trader, so it's not like I'm being pulled away from work. But there were things in my personal life that required my attention, and that on top of my charts not working was a very weird feeling for me today. I didn't like, I felt like I wasn't able to be focused, and for that reason, I did not trade. Okay, I did not trade the whole rest of the day. I missed SAVA, I missed GNUS, I missed everything because I just wasn't able to focus today. Okay, I just was not able to focus today, and having that discipline to say I'm not going to trade because I'm not focused will save you guys a lot of money, and it'll save you from making silly mistakes. All right, so that's really the lesson that I wanted to cover with you on this video, and this goes for full-time traders as well. Maybe you guys don't feel well. Maybe you just got into a huge fight with your spouse or significant other. Maybe the kids are in the background screaming or crying. Maybe one of your loved ones is really, really sick, and your head's just not in it. Like anything, it could be anything. Maybe you just have a headache. It could be anything. If you are not focused, there's nothing wrong with taking a step away. Either take a couple hours off or take the day off. To hell, take a couple days off. The market's not going anywhere. There will always be another day, another stock, another opportunity. Am I upset I missed SAVA from 250 to 375 or 390? Of course I am. Of course, I would have loved to have been in like 10,000 shares and have caught that move. I would have loved to have done that. Okay, I would have loved to. Would have loved to. Okay, GNUS. Would I have loved to have been in this stock and caught this move? Of course. Of course, I would have loved to, but it just wasn't in the cards for me today. I wasn't focused. I had too much going on, and it started early with my charts not working, and it just threw me off the whole rest of the day. And then once I started to get pulled away from my computer because of some personal stuff I had to take care of today, I just said, you know what, today's not my day. I'm not going to force it. I'm just going to shut things down. And I had to make that decision today, and I'm okay with that decision. All right. So I wanted to let you guys know that it's also okay if you make that decision. So make sure that you guys are focused when you're trading, because when there's real money on the line, it's real. This isn't a video game. I know sometimes it feels like one, but I know for damn sure if my money's on the line, I want to make sure that I'm paying full attention on what's going on with my money. So if you're not able to focus, this is a nice little lesson speaking directly to not only just part-time traders, but full-time traders as well. Guys, real quick, if you guys click on the link in the description below, if you guys are interested in joining the TGD family and community full time, there's the 34% discount that we are still running, but prices are going up in July. Prices are bumping up a couple $100 in July because we're adding a ton of new features. So if you guys are interested in joining the TGD family, you want to do so right now before July, because the prices are going up in July. So click on the link in the description in the video. Use coupon code TTG620 to get a 34% discount on your membership before prices go up in July. All right, guys, take it easy. I hope you guys had a nice day today in SAVA and GNUS. They were big winners. A lot of members in chat crushed it. Alex Campbell, one of our TGD moderators, he nailed SAVA today. Was just a beast of a trade. Nailed it. And a lot of members in chat nailed it as well. So I'm super stoked to see the group hit some home runs today. Today just wasn't my day. Tomorrow's a brand new day, though, with new opportunities. and you bet your ass I'll be all over them, jumping on them tomorrow. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. I'll see you guys in chat.